Hi everybody, Mr. Sanford here again. I'd like to give you the We Do answer key. Now these are questions that you should have answered on your own on paper before you got to this video. This answer key, or this video, is to show you exactly how it's done and for you to check your work. Now if you haven't answered those, go ahead and pause this video now and go do that on your own on paper. And then after this video, you will take pictures and upload the correct answers, like if you have to make any corrections or anything like that, to your digital notebook, okay? Let's go ahead and get started. The first we do says an Olympic-sized swimming pool has approximately 660,250 gallons of water. How many kiloliters is this equal to? So the first step we have to do is determine the equivalency statements that we're going to use and write a list of steps, our conversion steps. So we're starting with gallons and we want to convert to kiloliters. So if we look over here, we can see that gallons, GAL, can convert to liters. So that's our first step. Convert gallons to liters. Now you were missing the second conversion step, so I gave it to you here. Once we find liters, we can convert that to kiloliters. So convert liters to kiloliters is our second step. If you didn't have this, you should have known by now that the prefix kilo means 1,000. So a kiloliter has 1,000 liters, kind of like a kilometer has 1,000 meters, okay? That prefix kilo means 1,000. So now we've done step 1. Now we're going to go on to step 2 and 3. Write out our math problems and then use our calculator to solve. So we'll start with the number they give us, 660,250, set up times in a line, and gallon is going to go on bottom so that it cancels. Liter goes on top because that's what step 1 asks us to find, and our numbers come from the equivalence statements here. 1 gallon equals 3.79 liters. Cross off gallons, use our calculator to type in the numbers like you see it. 660,250 times parentheses 3.79 divided by 1, and that's going to give us 2,502,347.5 liters. Now we need to start with that number for the second step. Take those liters and convert to kiloliters. So we're going to do times in a line there. Liters go on bottom so that it cancels. Kiloliters goes on top. That's what we're looking for. And the numbers came from this equivalent statement that I gave you. 1 kiloliter is 1,000 liters. We're going to cross off liters and use our calculator, and we're going to type leave our answer that was there, or we can retype it, that 2,502,000, so on and so forth, times parentheses 1 divided by 1,000 parentheses. Hit enter, and we're going to get 2,502.3 kiloliters. All right. Now let's do the second one together as well. A typical minivan weighs 2.04 tons. How many kilograms is this equal to? So the list of steps that we're going to use is 1, we're going to convert tons to pounds, and then 2, we're going to convert pounds to kilograms. So, and those come from right here. Pounds is LBS, and tons right here, and then we are going to convert pounds and kilograms with this conversion statement. So let's start with the number they give us, 2.04 tons, times in a line, and we're going to put ton on bottom and pounds up top, LBS for pounds, and the numbers come from right here, 1 ton and 2,000 pounds. Cross off tons, use our calculator, 2.04 times 2,000 divided by 1 in parentheses here, and we're going to get 4,080 pounds for our minivan. Now, step 2 says convert those pounds into kilograms. So we're going to start with those 4,080 pounds, and we're going to do times in a line. Pounds go on bottom so that it cancels with these pounds. Kilograms goes on top. That's the unit we want to solve for. And we grab our numbers from right here. 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. Use our calculator. Cross off pounds first, and then use our calculator. 4,080 times parentheses 1 divided by 2.2. Hit enter, and we get 1,855 kilograms. So notice that in the last problem and this problem, your division problems have been a little different. It's 1 divided by a different number. A lot of times we see a large number divided by 1. This time it's 1 divided by 2.2. And this is where the parentheses are really important. So pay attention there, guys. Okay, thanks.